Hello. Okay, today we're going to make another kind of clay, Play-Doh, for the younger set. So this is fun. Let me put that down. So I know flour is kind of, we'll just do that so you can see my hands. Kind of hard to find now, but it's back on the shelves. Start with 1 cup of flour. That nice even. 1/4 cup of salt. And then I mix those dry ingredients real well before I start adding the liquid. Okay, and then we're going to add 1/2 cup of water. And I'm adding a tablespoon of coconut oil. That just makes it softer on your hands to work with. And because I like to have nice smells, I'm going to add a couple drops of orange. And then 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. This will preserve it, keep it from growing mold. And mix it together really well. Running through, so I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of flour to it till it's the right Play-Doh consistency. That's looking more like Play-Doh. I'm going to give it just a bit more flour. The salt will preserve it also, but some of the recipes out there call for cream of tartar, which does the same work as the lemon. And I don't have any cream of tartar, and I'm not going to the store. There we go. Very Play-Doh-y. Very nice. Play-Doh is so soothing. And of course, if you want to add color to it, you can use dry Kool-Aid or food coloring, which will make a big mess, but that's up to you. That's all.